Lag, Jesus.
Rip your internet. Oh, you're the
I don't
last
even
one.
know what's happening.
You're the last one alive.
My ping is like the same as yours, it's just lagging.
No, yours is like 200. Mine's like 112.
Ben, mine is 108.
Yours is
At
172 right now. 220, 224,
geeking.
296, 476, 380, 376. Yeah, right there. That's probably the same exact guy that killed me.
I have an idea.
For a second, I thought that you were just gonna thought that you were just gonna rocket him.
I got an achievement for that.
Oh.
There's probably... Oh my. The lag was my downfall. At least it's not like Jehovah's thickness. He's at 600.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
He didn't even kill the enemy. The enemy's still up there.
Yeah, no. Oh, shh.
Hey, I found a car. It's got a gun on it.
Fuck.
I wanna drive. Hold on. Yeah, I wanna drive.
Oh, I hear you
The
driving.
camera's a little weird.
You got people behind you. Oh, I just watched you die.
They shot me.
Fuck. Got him.
Ben, what's going on with that scope? Why'd you put it there?
What do you mean, why did I put
Just
it there?
taking that thing off, right?
What do you mean, why did I put it there?
It's on top of the
Yo, God, I just now realized that.
Maybe that's the difference between the two guns. Maybe the other one doesn't look autistic. You just noticed that.
Yeah. Oh my God.
It's your gun, Ben. How could you just notice that?
Hey, look! MC!
Ben, you're losing.
العدو قريب!
Ben, if you die, I think you're lose.
Am I the last one left?
Yeah, if you die, you're losing.
Hey! Get down! العدو هنا!
Oh, the bots camp too. If they find a corner, they'll sit there until they find. Just so you know. So there's probably someone on the other side of the building.
Yeah.
Look!
Shh.
Come on!
Oh, we're getting shot from behind. Dude, I got a
Right
beard.
behind you.
What the fuck?
Don't shoot me, you bitch.
You wanna see some gore, Ben?
What?
Saw that?
Yeah.
Oh.
Holy.
Oh.
Oh my God.
No, they shot me, Ben.
They get you?
Yeah, it was that one.
Yeah, we're in game right now.
We are in the security forces.
Yeah. I just fucking stormed the place.
Nice. Let's see what the shotgun's like. I can like tear something down or something with it.
Destroy what? Oh.
That'll actually need us.
Fuck me.
I'll take some.
I'm amazing at this game.
Hey! Okay. Good down! Right there! Come on,
Yeah,
look!
that's people. Buttons directing,
Got him.
or just like a regular 30 to
Let's go!
Holy shit.
It's kind of a good way to check.
Oh my god. You having fun messing with your mic?
Yeah. Trying to find that.
Oh fuck, I can't get up there.
Oh yeah, I think I was actually here and I tried this. And it
Grip,
didn't
grip,
end up
boost me.
working out.
Boost me real quick, see if you can.
Alright.
Oh fuck yeah! Ah, damn it! That was so close. Hell yeah,
There you go.
that worked.
Cool. I like that. Does it look like you're supposed to be able to get up there? Like, is there
No.
stuff up?
Oh god, I just died.
Hey, check out this granite guy behind you. He's got a weird thing on the end of his gun.
What does he have on the end of his gun? A dildo?
No clue. It really looks like it. It's like
Oh, he has a
giant
suppressor.
suppressor. Look how big it is, though. Fucking US troops. I don't even know if they're US. It doesn't even like make.
Come on, just close it. Just close the goddamn door. I swear to god. There we go.
Give up! Surrender now!
You know, I think this game is wrong because AIs can't choose their gender. It's wrong to make them gendered.
Hey, we got contact! Oh shit! Get it!